So guys, today I'm showing you a site that is called DataLens Africa, and this is going to be a live application tutorial. So if you want to apply along with me, you can literally copy exactly what I will do, okay? So before we go any further guys, quick disclaimer over here. I share sites like this often, and some of these openings can disappear fast. So if you don't want to miss the next one, kindly subscribe and hit that notification bell right now. And by doing this, you will be among the first people to be notified, okay? Now guys, it is very important to confirm if a site is legit before doing any application, so that you don't waste your time or get into any risks. So kindly give me a few seconds, I confirm for you if DataLens Africa is legit. I promise this part will take some few seconds, okay? So I typed is DataLens Africa legit on Google, and here is what came up in my Google AI overview. It says DataLens Africa is a legitimate data annotation and AI training infrastructure company, though it recommends approaching their free training pipeline with realistic expectations. So guys, yes, the site is legit. Now let us go straight to the website and open the careers page. So I'm clicking on careers link, and here is the page, get paid to shape the future of AI. So guys, it is very important for me to read this part quickly for you so that you have an insight about the platform. Kindly don't skip this part. It will be very difficult to work on a platform that you are not familiar with, okay? So first of all guys, they say you join a community of AI talents, data annotators, and contributors helping to build the next generation of artificial intelligence in Africa, and your work directly impacts how AI models understand and interact with the world. Okay guys, that is very important for you to understand. Second, under what we do guys, it says DataLens Africa connects people with opportunities to contribute to the development of AI through data annotation, data labeling, and AI training data generation, okay? And this runs from labeling images and text to categorizing real world data for machine learning models, okay? And every task you complete helps AI systems become smarter, fairer, and more accurate. Then also guys, there is this section called our vision. It is good for you to understand the vision of the company, and it says their goal is to build Africa's most trusted AI data community, powering inclusive, high-quality datasets that make AI fairer, smarter, and more representative of the real world, okay? Now guys, here's the part I really want you to pay close attention to. The benefits of joining, that is in case they hire you. So they list 5 things. The first one, you earn while you learn, meaning you get paid for every annotation task that you complete, okay? You also get skill development, and that will involve gaining practical experience in data labeling and AI workflows, okay? There is also global impact, since your contribution will help to train AI systems that are used around the world, okay? There is also flexible work, meaning you can work from anywhere, anytime, on projects that fit your schedule, okay? And guys, there is also community growth, being part of what they call Africa's largest AI data contributor network, okay guys? I hope that part is clear. And now when it comes to who can join, they say anyone who is passionate about AI, technology, or data. No technical background is required. So whether you are a student, a freelancer, or just a tech lover, you can try this site, okay? Now guys, let us scroll down and look at what jobs are actually open right now. So guys, as you can see, there are quite a few listed opportunities over here, and let me make you familiar with them so that you know which one to apply to. So the first one on the list is the African Language AI Specialist, and this is going to pay you to help teach AI to understand African languages. Then we have the Egocentric Video Data Collector role, and this one is a part-time or contract role where you record first-person video clips of everyday hand-based activities to help train AI vision models, and you can earn per approved submission, okay? Also guys, they also list the AI data curator / data engineer role, and this one is more technical, and it involves building data pipelines, okay? We also have the data annotation specialist role, and it is a part-time role where you label and categorize data sets, and it is open to Ethiopia, Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, and Rwanda, okay? Second last, we have the project manager for AI data operations role, and this one is based in Nigeria. And finally, we have quality assurance reviewer for AI data projects, and it's also based in Nigeria, okay? So guys, as you can see, there's a mix over here. There are some which are fully remote across Africa, and some roles are limited to specific countries, and there are some that need more experience than others, okay? Now, the most important part is me doing an actual application with you. so that you can see exactly how it works, and this will help many people who have a challenge doing so, okay? So I am going to go with African Language AI Specialist because this is the opportunity that most of you watching can qualify for, okay? It just needs you to speak an African language fluently, and there is nothing technical at all. So I am clicking apply, and let me walk you through the job description quickly before we fill anything. By the way guys, this is very important anytime you want to apply to any job, so kindly follow along. So guys, it opens with your language is valuable, get paid for it. And it explains that the world's most powerful AI systems still can't properly understand the languages spoken across Africa. And they are trying to change that. So they need fluent speakers to help, okay? And about DataLens Africa, it says they build the high quality language data that teaches AI to read, write, reason, and respond in African languages. And they work with machine language researchers, global health organizations, telcos, and foundation model companies that need data reflecting how people actually speak, okay? Then it also explains your actual role. So this is very important. As an African language AI specialist, you earn by putting your native or fluent language knowledge to work, okay? And no prior tech experience is required. So guys, what you will actually be doing includes creating, translating, and transcribing text in the African language you are fluent in. You will also be rating and ranking AI model responses to help the model learn what good sounds like in your language. You'll also do some things like review and validating content for accuracy, tone, and cultural context, okay? Also, you will be flagging some nuances, things like idioms and dialect, okay? Which AI systems usually miss. And if you are more experienced, you could even move into quality checking, okay? So you'll be literally checking the work of other contributors. So for what they are looking for, it is very simple. You need to be a native or fluent speaker of one of the supported languages. You need strong reading and writing ability in that language, good attention to detail, reliable internet access, and a smartphone or laptop, okay? So no prior experience is required for entry-level work, though having a background in translation, teaching, journalism, or content writing is a bonus, okay? And here is why they say you should join. So you earn from your language, getting paid per project that is matched to the languages that you speak. Guys, you also work flexibly, remote, on your own schedule, from anywhere in Africa. You also build real AI skills through hands or annotation and evaluation work. So guys, also strong contributors can grow into QA or quality assurance reviewer or project lead roles, okay? And honestly guys, you are helping build AI that actually understands your own community. Now let us look at the languages that they need, because this list is huge and maybe your language may be listed over here. So for West Africa, they need Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, Wolof, Twi. You can see the full list on the screen, okay? For East Africa, they need Swahili, they need Somali, they need Oromo, Kikuyu, Luo. I have this full list on the screen, you can check. For South Africa, they need Zulu, they need Sesotho, they need Shona, they need Dembele. And for Central Africa, they need Lingala, Kikongo, Sango. You can check the full list that I've given on the screen. And for North Africa, they need Tamazight, Darija, and Hassania. So kindly pause the video right now guys and check if your language is on that list, because chances are it is, okay? So let us quickly fill out the application together. First field is your full name, so I'm going to type mine in. Next is my email, same thing, straightforward. Phone number is here too, and there's a LinkedIn URL field, but that one is optional, so don't stress if you don't have one. Next question guys, which African language or languages are you fluent in? And this is where you type your actual language, or languages if you speak more than one, okay? Then it asks how many hours per week are you available. Kindly just be honest over here guys. Whatever number actually fits your schedule is the one you're supposed to write, okay? And finally, your CV or resume. Now for me, I already have a ready-made CV saved, so I'm just going to click over here and attach it directly. And if you don't have one yet, kindly don't panic. You can put together something simple. Just make sure it shows your language skills and any relevant writing or communication experience. So guys, I'm going to attach a video at the end of how to write an outstanding CV. or if you are busy, you can request for my services at a cup of coffee price, okay? My email is pkinya2009@gmail.com. Once everything looks good, I'm going to click submit application, and there we go. That's the application sent. So I'm going to be checking my email over the next few days to see if I get considered for this role. If I do get picked, guys, I'll come back and show you exactly what the next steps look like. And if this one doesn't work out, kindly don't worry. I'll just move on and bring you another legit site to try, okay? So make sure you are subscribed and your notification bell is on, because you don't want to miss whichever way this goes, okay? You can also check my previous videos that I've shared. I've shared a lot of sites. Go and check if they have open roles at the moment. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.